Hello everyone, my name is Jagar Parekh and I'm the CET 2099.99 percentiler. And for all of you who already know me, nice to see you again. So guys, I've been getting so many messages from my students and the students outside that sir demotivation ho raha hai, sir CET ka dates nahi aa raha hai, we don't know what to do, kaise preparation hoga. And I just have one thing to tell you guys. And also many students are asking me कि sir आपको क्या लगता है CET का dates कब होगा? Guys, I'll tell you this one thing as a friend, not even as a teacher, as a friend. Stop asking that. पूछना बंद करो. Not to me, to anyone. Stop asking that. See, because you will ask 3-4 people. Obviously, every student is in contact with at least 3-4 teachers. Everybody will give you a different answer, and nobody's saying the truth. Everybody is lying. Now, I won't say कि झूठ बोल रहे, like not lying in that sense. Nobody knows what they are saying may or may not be true. वो लोग अपने अंदाजे से बोल रहे हैं. There were people who were claiming कि हमारा कॉलेज का एडमिशन that started in January, अक्टूबर में स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, but it did not. अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर हर एक पे हमने वीडियो देखी है कि अरे अभी होगा अभी होगा अभी होगा. Finally, when did it end up starting? January 15th को एडमिशन हुआ. So understand that nobody except the official DT notification is to be trusted. And that is why you must stop asking, and you must even stop watching the videos of people who are uploading, अरे यार ये डेट पे होगा, इतना टाइम होगा, इतने दिन बचेंगे, इतने दिन होंगे. No, stop it. You will only increase your stress. Because सब अलग अलग डेट्स बोलेंगे. We have already seen कि CMAT का क्या हुआ. CMAT इतने कम इंटरवल पे आ गया. So, had anybody told, लोग तो बोल रहे थे कि मई में होगा, हुआ मई में नहीं, जस्ट अभी है, लिटरली 5-6 दिन में. So understand this guys, stop stressing yourself out. CET के लिए टाइम है. I can tell you कि CET के लिए टाइम है from a very simple observation के अभी तक उन्होंने नोटिफिकेशन भी बाहर नहीं निकाला. नोटिफिकेशन आएगा 5-6 दिन बाद, रजिस्ट्रेशन चालू होगा, रजिस्ट्रेशन को 5 दिन देंगे, 5 या 8 दिन समझ लो. एग्जाम के 5-6 दिन पहले अपना हॉल टिकट आएगा, एंड उसके बीच में उन लोग को भी अपना करना होता है, पेमेंट प्रोसेस करने होते हैं, ये वो 25 चीजें होती है. उन लोगों को सेंटर्स अलॉट करने पड़ेंगे तुम लोगों को. इट विल टेक टाइम, दे हैव टू टॉक टू द सेंटर्स. तो आराम से इवन व्हेन द नोटिफिकेशन कम्स आउट, आई एम सेइंग मिनिमम you'll still have 30-35 days. Normally 50 दिन जितना होता है, but you'll at least have 30-35 days. Calm down and just work. It's fine if stress आता है. And also I know that many of you are worried that okay, IMS के mocks में बहुत लोग टॉपर आते हैं, बहुत लोगों को 140-145 आते हैं. Many of my students are in that list also. And it's funny that even the person who's at the 6th rank is saying कि अरे sir ये हमेशा first rank या फिर second rank आता है, अपने ही class का है, how do I beat him? I'm like, you don't have to. See, understand, everybody manages stress very differently. And similarly, when you go in the exam, you will manage stress very differently. This is something that I'm telling you all again, and I've been saying repeatedly. CET में time management के पीछे मत भागो. Manage your stress. Otherwise, what will happen? If you go behind time management, ना, you will end up solving very fast in the start. बाद में क्या होगा पता है? 2.5 घंटे की एग्जाम है. 1.5 घंटे के बाद you guys will get tired. लास्ट का 1 घंटा इतना घटिया सॉल्विंग करोगे तुम लोग. इट विल बी एब्सोल्युटली हिडियस. जो चीज तुम्हें आती है वो भी तुम गलत सॉल्व करोगे. जो चीज तुमने सही सॉल्व किया है तुम गलत आंसर मार्क करके आ जाओगे. एंड जो चीज तुम, एंड दिस इज अ प्रूफ टू इट, हैव ऑल ऑफ यू नोटिस्ड कि जब तुम एग्जाम खत्म हो जाती है, बाद में एनालिसिस करने बैठते हो, यू कैन सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस लाइक दिस, बट एग्जाम के टाइम नहीं होता. व्हाई? बिकॉज यू आर स्ट्रेस्ड, यू आर नॉट मैनेजिंग योर स्ट्रेस. स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट इज पैरामाउंट इन सीईटी. समझ रहे हो? बिकॉज अंडरस्टैंड दिस, अगर तुम स्टार्ट से अपनी स्पीड पे जा रहे हो एंड तुम्हारी स्पीड अच्छी है तो तुम्हें स्ट्रेस नहीं बढ़ेगा. अदरवाइज व्हाट विल हैपन इज, इट्स सिंपल मैराथन वाला कंसेप्ट. अपनी स्पीड पे भागो, तुम पूरा भाग सकोगे. स्टार्ट में ही तुम पागल से फर्स्ट रहने की ट्राई कर रहे हो तो फिर हो गया, तुम किलोमीटर 1.5 किलोमीटर में थक जाओगे एंड बाद में तुम भाग ही नहीं पाओगे. द सेम लॉजिक अप्लाइज हियर. मेक श्योर दैट यू आर इंक्रीजिंग योर पेस ग्रेजुअली and you are maintaining that pace, and that pace should be of a good level, and which is why I suggest MPM, marks per minute, is your god when you are analyzing the mocks. Okay, make sure to marks per minute के analysis properly सीख रहे हो. And apart from that, make sure that you are not getting stressed by looking at others marks. There are people जो बहुत टाइम से ट्राई कर रहे हैं. There are people जो लोग तीसरी बार एग्जाम दे रहे हैं. I have students who are taking the exam third or fourth time. I have students who are taking the exam the first time and still they are doing very well. I have a student, I won't name him, but yeah, he's taking the exam for the first time. He's already scoring 135 plus. He joined me about a month and a half ago. I have a student who just joined me 6 days ago. He just texted me yesterday, sir, 5 दिन हुआ है, I already see a jump of 10 marks in my mocks. 5 दिन में. You must understand, it's not about तुम क्या prepare कर रहे हो. It's about तुम कैसे prepare कर रहे हो. He looked at my course. He understood what I said in the first lecture itself. कि ये चीजें हैं एंड ऐसे 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 करना है, हाउ डू यू मैनेज स्ट्रेस, हाउ डू यू मैनेज ईच एंड एवरी सेक्शन डिफरेंटली, उसने वो सब देखा एंड देन ही टुक अ मॉक and just 5 lectures into my course he scored 10 marks more because he understood the mentality behind scoring better, and that is what you must understand. Okay. Also, just a reminder to all of you, I'll continue the discussion. Just a reminder for all of you, tomorrow 26th March is the last day for the discount that is running on my website, that is crackeverytest.com. I'll also drop it in the description. And so if you want to enroll for my course at a better price, you can do it before tomorrow. So like tomorrow is the last day. Apart from that, yeah, let me continue. Now the final thing that I want to tell you guys is that understand your marks are stagnant right now. If your marks are stagnant right now, no matter where you are stagnant, समझो अगर तुम 80 पे अटके हो, 90 पे अटके हो, 100 या 120 पे भी अटके हो, if it is stagnant, that means you are doing nothing new. You are preparing the same way that you have been preparing for the last month or the last 2 months or how long you have prepared. This is something I guess Albert Einstein has said. इंटरनेट पे कोट्स तो कोई भी बोल देता है, नीचे अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन का नाम डाल देता है. So yeah, he said this, that you are an absolute idiot if you are doing the same thing every day and expecting a different result. Understand, you need to switch things up. You need to understand कि क्या गलत कर रहे हो. Target your weak point. First of all, figure out your weak point, because and for doing that you must analyze your mock properly. Analysis, the way that I have told my students to analyze, it doesn't require them to go through the entire mock to understand कि उनका कौन सा part weak है. They can immediately just look at the analysis sheet and realize, अच्छा मेरा ये weak है, मुझे इधर काम करना है. अच्छा मेरा ये weak है, मुझे इधर काम करना है. That's it, and that is how your analysis should be. You should be able to understand where I am weak and वही weak area को target करना है, and you put in more effort on that. Okay. So this kind of an analysis is going to be the most important for you to make sure your CET preparation is to the point and it keeps increasing. तुम्हारा stagnant नहीं हो जाएगा. See, it's fine if your marks are stagnant at 145, 150. और क्या चाहिए यार, मतलब ठीक है. If you're scoring well consistently, then all you have to do is look के कहाँ पे marks पर. So I have a student who scores on an average every time 140, 145, 143, 147 ऐसे ही marks आते हैं उसको. I have a few students like that जिनको 140 plus आते हैं. These people, they still are doing some things wrong and they realize it every time they go and sit and analyze their marks. Or what they do is that they just send me their analysis sheet. वो लोग अपनी analysis sheet भर देते हैं the way that I have told them and they send it to me. It takes me 5 minutes to understand कि तुम क्या गलत कर रहे हो. Just 5 minutes. I've seen so many students का analysis sheets, so I understand where you are going wrong. And if you can analyze what you are doing wrong, or if you can get an analysis from me as to where you are going wrong, then trust me, you will be able to understand what is the weak area and work on that weak area. And only when you do that will your stagnant score increase. No matter where the score is stagnant, there is a problem somewhere. Recognize that problem and work on it. If you work on it well, then trust me, doing the increasing your marks is not such a difficult deal. Okay. Because trust me, I've seen students increase their marks like this. एक हफ्ते डेढ़ हफ्ते में marks बढ़ जाते हैं, like 10 15 marks है. Just that proper strategy and proper stress management, these are going to be your gods, and for that you will require the best methods to solve. Okay, chalo, bye guys.